Hello students, hope you are doing well and I hope you have revised all the previous lessons, yeah, like lesson 1 to 4, like counting alphabets and the greetings. And now like today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself. So in German we say just vorstellen means how to introduce yourself. So in this lesson we learn how to say your name in German, where are you from, where do you live, what are your hobbies, etc. So these kind of the sentences we are going to learn in this lesson. So first there are three different way to say your name. So the first one is heiße Suraj. Okay, so like my name is Suraj, so is heiße Suraj. Or you can say Ich bin Suraj. Or the third thing is mein Name ist Suraj. So the meaning of all these three sentences are the same. Just to say what is your name. So you can say is I Suraj, my name is Suraj. Is bin Suraj, I am Suraj. Or my name is Suraj. So my name is Suraj. So these three different way, but the meaning is the same. So next is like what is your family name? What is your surname? So mein Familienname ist Rathor. So my surname is Rathor. So Familienname here means the surname, the family surname. So if you are like any like your surname is maybe the Yadav, Sarma or etc. So instead of Rathor you may write your own surname. So in next, like I am from Rajasthan, so I can say Ich komme aus Rajasthan. Ich komme aus Rajasthan. So I am from Rajasthan. So if you belong to any other state, so you can write it that. If you belong to from Haryana or if you belong from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, so instead of Rajasthan, you may write the Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Your own state from where you are belonging or where are you from. So next, where do you live? So ich wohne in Bhiwadi. So ich wohne in Bhiwadi, like I live in Bhiwadi. So currently I live in Bhiwadi. If you live in Dharwada, so you can write instead of Bhiwadi, Dharwada or any other place. If nearby in any village, if you are living, so you can write the name of that place, particular place where you live. So next is like ich spreche Hindi, Deutsch und English. So I speak Hindi, German and English. So spreche is like to speak. This is a verb. So verb always on the second position. So ich spreche Hindi, Deutsch und English. So I speak Hindi, German and English. So these three languages. So next, so I am 32 years old. So I can say ich bin 32 Jahre alt. So 32 is 32. So these numbers or the counting we have already learned in the previous lesson. So instead of 32, you must write your own age. If you are like 10, 12, 13, 14, whatever your age. So instead of 32, you must write your own age. So ich bin 32 Jahre alt. So I am 32 years old. Next is ich bin student. So right now you are the student, you are learning. So ich bin student. So ich bin student for the boys, for the masculine, or ich bin studentin. So this is for the girls, for the females. So I am a student for male and female, for boys and girls. But like as a profession, I am a teacher. So I say ich bin Lehrer. So for the masculine, ich bin Lehrer, I am a teacher. Or for the feminine teacher, or for the so ich bin Lehrerin means again the same, I am a teacher, but for the feminine. Next is like you are single, so you can say ich bin ledig. Ich bin ledig means I am single. Next is ich bin verheiratet. Ich bin verheiratet. Verheiratet means like married. So I am married. So instead of both, you must be write only the single, the ich bin ladies. So you are single. So right now, so ich bin ladies, I am single. So next is like about your hobbies. What are your hobbies? So you can say meine Hobbys sind Fernsehen und Musik hören. Meine Hobbys sind Fernsehen und Musik hören. So my hobbies are watching TV and listening to music. So everyone has the different hobbies, but like my hobbies are to watch TV and the listening music. But instead of these, you can write your own hobbies. So here are the some examples of the hobbies. So Bücher lesen, because someone has interested to read the books, to read the novels and all. So you can write Bücher lesen, means this is reading books. Or if you are like, if you like to play cricket, so you can like cricket spielen, playing cricket. Cricket spielen. So my hobby is cricket spielen. Or like tanzen, dance. Or like Kunst und Handwerk machen. Kunst und Handwerk machen means doing art and craft. So if you are interested for the art and craft, you must write this. Kunst und Handwerk machen means doing art and craft. Or if you are interested for the yoga, so you can write it yoga machen or doing yoga. So yoga machen is like doing yoga. So these are the sentences that in that you can just say about yourself. So you can now introduce yourself in German. So you all have to revise these sentences at home and even the previous lessons as well. So if you use these sentences on your regular basis, then you will learn to introduce yourself. So just revise till then. Bye, take care, and next lesson we are going to learn how to ask the questions to other person. If you want to ask his name and other like where he is from, where he live, what are these kind of questions we are going to learn in our next lesson. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.